spreads out and engulfs the planet. The entire sky is acting like a giant sun lamp. The Earth's surface heats up to 275 degrees. Vegetation begins to spontaneously ignite. Even months after the impact, smoke and ash still block out the sun's rays. With less sunlight, plants die, and the animals that eat them starve. Against this onslaught, it's hard to see how anything can survive. The dinosaurs' 165 million year reign is over. But the dinosaurs' demise is an opportunity for another species. Mammals. By living underground, they've avoided the heat and the fires. And by eating anything and everything, they thrive while more selective eaters die. These are the unlikely inheritors of the dinosaur's crown. And as one story ends, another begins. With the dinosaurs out of the way, this could be our ancestors' chance. The dinosaurs are long dead. The planet is peaceful. In this new world, our mammal ancestors are evolving. This lake, 47 million years ago, in what will one day be Germany, should be the perfect place to spot them. This isn't like the mammals we saw earlier. Its eyes and brain are bigger. This is Darwinius massillae, or Ida. She looks nothing like us, but fossil evidence from our own time tells us these creatures could evolve into monkeys, apes, and eventually humans. We're looking back through 47 million years of evolution to what may be one of our earliest known ancestors. The lake sits on a volcanic crater. It belches out noxious gas. Now, the lake that killed her will preserve her in its oxygen-depleted depths. One day, when the water has gone and Ida is fossilized in stone, we will discover her and recognize in this primitive primate what could be the very beginning of our own story, the story of human life. We're closer to understanding how everything we've seen, from ocean bacteria, through walking fish, and subterranean rodents leads to us and to understanding how our planet was made. "47 million years ago, and the atmosphere is much like our own. The temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, and a day lasts just under 24 hours. The Earth we're looking at now is almost identical to the planet we call home. Almost. The Earth's plates have been on the move again, with the continents on their backs. India moves north towards Asia. The Indian and Asian plates are locked in a titanic struggle. Neither plate is winning. Both plates begin to buckle. What was once ocean floor contorts upwards along a 2,500 kilometer line. A vast mountain range rises up. 1,500 meters, 4,500 meters. Now over 8,000 meters. These are the Himalayas. And there it is, the highest mountain of all. Mount Everest. When the snow on the peaks melts, it feeds great rivers. The Ganges, Indus, Yangtze, and Yellow rivers. The Himalayas are like a vast water tower. One day their rivers will supply water for almost half the world's population. "20 million years ago, this is our planet, with every continent, every ocean, just as we know it. Except there's one thing missing. Us. The human race. For humans to evolve, something somewhere down there has to change. Along Africa's east coast, between the plates that make up the Earth's crust, a great rift opens up. The rift stretches nearly 6,000 kilometers. Along its edge, mountains grow. There. It looks like an ape, not a human. It might stay in these trees forever, but its world is changing.